We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will answer the question, that is, how much data does Apple Music use? So from what I've been able to discover using the open sources, if you listen the Apple Music for a single hour, it will drain approximately about 115 megabytes of data. On the other hand, if you would like to see more personalized and detailed statistics on, well, how much data your particular Apple Music usage scenario consumes on your respective phone, on an iPhone, you will need to go into Settings, Mobile Service, and here check the mobile data usage by apps. Just find the music app on this list, and it will show how much cellular data it have used throughout the current period. Unfortunately, the iPhone does not allow you to check your Wi-Fi usage, so you will not be able to see how much data you have used through Wi-Fi, only through the cellular network. On an Android devices, it's different from phone to phone, from system to system, but just open the Settings app on your generic Android phone. Add the settings search input to the data usage query, and find and check the data usage. That's for cellular data or Wi-Fi data usage as well. So here, if I'll go into the Wi-Fi data usage, I will be perfectly able to find the Apple Music app on this list and see precisely how much data it consumed. Here I have a lot of apps, so it may be a little hard and complicated for me to find the Apple Music app manually, but I mean, you got the general idea on how to do that. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.